Hello all, welcome to Billionaire. So this is RP here, recording video on 27th of April 2022. Tomorrow it's at 20th April and tomorrow it's monthly expiry for the Nifty. So what we are seeing here is Nifty after a steep drop is getting consolidated in this range, and we are expecting it to drop on the downside once it breaks this low. And we have a view earlier we had expressed our view in the form of Elliott Wave, where we are mentioning that it is going to break this low. So you can watch that video, link is going to pop up above. We discussed in detail on a weekly analysis. So do subscribe to our channel as well, because it takes a lot of effort to create such videos. Here on this chart we see that short-term moving averages, Nifty is trading below all short-term moving averages. They are 13 EMA, 48 EMA, 100 EMA, and it is taking support at 200 EMA, which is coming somewhere around 16,825. okay, R1 indicator has given the negative signal, and RSI, MACD, all they are trading on a negative note. So as per the indicators, this looks to be an like bearish case. Currently it's consolidating, by the way. So we are going to check why it is, like what is happening. So after a major fall, every major fall, you could see that there is a consolidation phase, and once it breaks that consolidation, again it will resume the trend. So same thing is happening here. So one possibility is that it is going to make a triangle. So this is not a perfect triangle, by the way, and I'm not assuming that it is going to break. It is going to grow like this and break downside again. So by the way, there are 5 moves in a triangle: A, B, C, D. Okay, C, D, and E. A, B, C, D, E. There are 5 waves in a triangle. So I'm not assuming this to be happening anytime soon. But yeah, I'll be ready if it breaks 16,824, then it is done. It is going on the downside. So it can be like this as well. Okay, A, B, okay, and then C wave, because internally A, B, C will be there. Okay, so it can make like this as well: A, B, C, D, E, like this. Okay, and then drop. So this is also possible. So triangle are pretty tough to predict, and it will be tough to trade as well. So we will be waiting, and I just have taken this screenshot just to keep the possibility open. Another most likely possibility is WXYZ corrections. So again, complex correction: ABC, ABC, and ABC like this. Okay, and again ABC, ABC like this. So by the time the consolidation completes, bulls and bears both will exhaust their trades, and they'll eventually be thinking nothing is going to happen, and then the trend will continue. So this is how the consolidation works, right? It takes out weak hands, and yeah, so this is how we are considering WXYZ corrections. Even it can end here and then drop. So it all depends on how much time it will take. Current move. Okay, so tomorrow if Nifty opens above 17,100 and sustains the gap for 15 minutes, then we can assume that it is going on the upside and minimum towards these levels. So I'm not saying that it is going to hit these levels tomorrow. So yeah, this is the possibility that B wave will be ended here and C wave has been started. So C wave will be 5 wave move: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. So it can even make a leading diagonal doing multiple rounds here, then drop, then go up sharp. So this is how it can be a complicated move for the next day. I'm not assuming it will break this low tomorrow, as there is expiry and 17,000 is a major support. So a gap up opening will consider an up move bias. We should go towards this gap in that case, because you can see here each day a gap is created in one wave, another gap created here, the next day gap down opening, gap filled, then this gap also got filled, right? So these two gaps were filled by X wave, and now this gap has been filled by B wave itself, and this will go up, right? This like this, and it will fill gap. So this can another way to trade the gaps, and gaps are creating and gaps are getting filled in. So that indicates weakness in the like uptrend or downtrend, both, right? So this means a consolidation again. So as I said, if it opens a gap up, strong gap up above 17,100, then or even if it opens small gap up and then breaks this high, we can assume that Nifty is going on the upside towards these levels. That is one case. So as I said, I'm not expecting this to be broken, otherwise this chart will be invalid. So another case is considering this as an expanding triangle, but this case still assumes that it is a C wave that is going to go up. So this will be WXYZ correction again. So here you can notice that it is on MACD, it is trading in a range. MACD is looking like a triangle here, right? So if it breaks this tomorrow, then it will make a high near this and it will create a negative divergence again. Okay, so negative divergence will be created like this and it will drop again. So these are the couple of complex cases that we are assuming, and here we are assuming this B wave of blue color to be an expanded flat, which is looking little ugly. Expanded flat should not go beyond 0.32 Fibonacci of previous wave, so this could be something else, that's why. But there is a possibility a lot of Elliotticians label them until the end. Okay, so this is not an invalid case, but yeah, it can be an expanded flat. So tomorrow we should see. So if it's expanding flat, this will be a big gap up opening as well. Okay, because after expanding flat, sharp move comes on the upside. So this is how Nifty is looking right now, and yeah, this was the earlier call in the form of WXYZ correction on the downside. And option chain data, when you check here, you see 17,000 is a major support, still 93 lakh put writers present here. There was a good amount of put writing and call writing happen, which is due to gap down opening, and as we said in previous videos as well, 17,000 whenever it breaks, it is going to come on the upside, because this is the major support for this expiry. Beyond this, there is no good support, it will drop sharp downside. On the upside, major resistances at 17,300 and 200. So tomorrow Nifty has to sustain about 17,100 to go on the upside. That's what our view is as per the option chain, and these particular guys on 17,000 call writers will exit their position in a losses in case of gap up opening, and Nifty will trade maybe in a small range but on the upside. So that's all. Have a good day. Bye bye.